I was once a camper myself. But it wasn't anything like this.
Cheap creep. What's happening, Jeep Creepers? On this episode of Keeping It Poppin', we are going to install windows. And these are out of another RV. Let's take a look. So what I have here is the RV window. And the depth that it sets at is about 1 3/4 inches, which is good. Because that'll give me clearance for my bed swing. And right now I'm just taking off the hardware that holds it in place. So fun, just like that. All right, so I need to figure out the placement of my window. The cutout I need to make is 17 3/4, and then the seal overlaps that, which I think I'm going to run bolts through. So I don't want it to interfere there because I want to have a little bit of a backsplash, and I don't want it up too high to weaken it. So I need to find a nice sweet spot. And about maybe there, leave me a couple inches. That looks good. So let's get that and measure it. We said 8 from the top. Let's get our guidelines down. Here is our corner. Now the corner is a radius, so we'll need to figure that out too. $47 3/4. $17 3/4 from there is right there. Okay. Good. All right. Now that is the outermost, but you got to remember there's a radius on the window. So let me measure when it starts making a curve on each side. Yay, window. Cool. Ah, that is a tight fit. Looking good though. This window's filthy. Let's clean it up a little bit. It's too cold to clean windows. It's just freezing. So we'll have to clean the windows on another episode. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, here we are on the inside. It's got a little bit of a gap. And I think I'm just gonna, I was gonna put framing around it, but I think I'm just gonna bolt it in for right now. Let's see if it clears. Look at all that mess. Oh my god, it's so close! But it clears. Look at that. Oh my god, that's scary close. That was the only thing I was really worried about. Alright, well, we can look at this side now. I might just block it for right now, because I need to get hardware anyway. I don't know what I want to do. I was going to put bolts in through the lip and bolt all the way around, but I don't know. I could get a piece of wood right here and wedge it in and screw it in. I probably should do that because I don't need to introduce any more leak points. It's so nice having a window in here though. Oh my god. Just makes this thing look 100 times bigger having window. So yeah, let's look at the other side. Well, here we go. There's the window. I still need to figure out how I'm going to mount the back, like I said, but looks good. There's the bed. I was going to put another window over here, but it's pretty long, and I don't want to lose the integrity of this. So I'm going to hold off on that. And plus, this door, it drops down to a screened window, so I don't think I really need another window. Anyway, that's what we got. So this is going to be a short video. Check out the window behind me. Yeah, look at that. That's just so sharp with that stove and the window there. It's gonna be a short one. It's cold. Super Bowl's tomorrow, so enjoy the game, guys, and we'll be back next week.